In this video, I am going to show how to download and install the latest version of Python on Windows operating system. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and search for Python and browse this URL. Now I am going to download latest version of Python for Windows operating system. Click on this download link. It may take a while for downloading. After a successful download, go into the downloads folder and open this installer file. Okay, now check this box to use admin privilege when installing, and also check this box to add Python exe to the path environment variable. Okay, select install now to install Python with default settings, or you can choose customize to enable or disable features that you want. I am going to select the customize installation option. Okay, then click on next. Check this box to install Python for all users. This is the customize install location. You can change this location by browsing. Now click on install. If you asked a question from user account control, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes. It may take a while for installing Python 3.13.1 on Windows operating system. Python 3.13.1 setup was successful. Now close this window and verify the installation. So open command prompt and type this command here, version. That's it. Python 3.13.1 installed successfully. Python IDLE. You can execute Python script here. I'm going to execute this simple script that will print a message, hello world. Enter. That's it. Also, you can execute a file. So save this file anywhere on your computer. I'm going to save this with a name, example, and also I am going to write this script here and then save this file and click on the run button, then check module. Okay, run module. That's it. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.